So hi YouTube family, welcome back to the Jamaican cooking journey family. So today it's me, camera girl, and by myself. So it's Saturday, and normally on Saturdays my mom always goes to the market and stuff like that, and we come back and we do a little market haul for it. So today I'm going to be doing the market haul today. So she went out this morning and she didn't really go to get a lot. She got a few stuff, not a lot. Not everything is in season at the moment, as you some of you guys know. So I'm just going to be giving you guys a rundown of what she went out and got today. So first things first, this is some kale right here. Then there's some parsley. These are mostly the things that we use to make green juice at home. And then some thyme. And we have string beans right here. Then we have 2 bags of scallion and thyme together, so right here. So then we have a mixture of peppers. I think, yeah, these are a mixture of Scotch bonnet and just like some normal regular peppers that you can use every day, stuff like that. Yeah. We got some local sweet corn. We got 3 of them. Some local onions. So look. We have pack of garlic here. We have some pak choy. We have a jelly right here. The water, I drank the water outside already. My dad just cut out the top and I just drank the water outside. So this is just it. This is how they give it to you at the market. They take off the sides and stuff like that so you can be able to just drink it when you're ready. We also have some turnips, some local turnips. We have some sliced tomatoes. We have some sweet potato right here. We have some cucumber, some big cucumbers. Well, one of you the small ones, but mostly big. Then we have pumpkin right here to make pumpkin rice or soup or stuff like that. Then we have some oranges. These are about 1.5 may say maybe. And we have some right here. So it's about 1.5. Let's say about 1.5 right here. And then we have then we have it looked like lettuce for because right here, so the dark part up here, so the cabbage is most of the time white. So this is some cabbage here. Then we have some carrots over here. And then we have okay, so we have some sweet peppers here. I couldn't see because it's all green right here, so guys, I'm almost showing you. Yes, so we have some sweet peppers right here. Then we have a couple of okras over here. I'm not sure if they're the young or the old. Probably, yeah, they're the young ones. Yeah. So then we have right here to the floor, we have yam. Is this? Yeah, this is yellow yam. Yeah. And then right here we have some kalaloo. Show you inside the glass. We have some kalaloo in here, about 2 bundles of kalaloo, or 4 bundles of kalaloo. Alright, and that's about it. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Showed you everything. So guys, that's it for today. After finish the haul and everything, all of these vegetables and fruits and green stuff, they're all going to be washed before they're placed in our fridge or before they're used. Guys, always remember, as you get your farmers market stuff, always remember to wash them, drain them off, make sure that they're properly clean before you use them or before you use any form cooking, eating, whatever. Just make sure that they're all properly clean, because anything can happen. So just make sure you wash them and keep them clean. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing a little bit of stuff that we went out to get. It's not much, but it's what we got today. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, tell us what you think about these hauls. You want us to do more of them. Maybe you want to see like some supermarket hauls or more farmers markets or like clothing or whatever. Just tell us what more of these if you'd like to see more of them. Also remember guys, we have merch out on our main channel, West Indian Lights. There's merch out on there. The link to that will be in the description below, so you guys can go ahead, can click on the link, and you can go buy your merch and all that stuff. And yeah, that's about it. So bye guys.